Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, May 17th, 2016. Take a look at the spiders, folks. They just fell off a cliff over the last 40 minutes or so. This is the intraday 10-minute, so each of these candles is 10 minutes long. So you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, and we're in the 50th minute of this sell-off. Beautiful in spirit of bearish pattern right here. I can zoom in on the chart a little bit. Key is this. You're hitting double bottom from Friday, which is a key level, but that's not as key as the level I showed last Friday. If you watched this video last Friday, you saw a neckline of a head and shoulders. I want to go to that right now because this is what you're really following. This is the daily chart. We're going to flip to the 60-minute chart, and if I zoom out, you can see it very clearly here. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. Take the neckline. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You're hammering on the neckline again. So again, shoulder, head, and shoulder. Here's your neckline. If you break this neckline, and I want to see a close on the daily below, meaning at the end of today or tomorrow or whenever, a close below this line. If you get it, get this, guys, you can calculate out your target, how far the market should fall, and on the SPY, which tracks the S&P 500, you will see a drop to the 197 to 198 level. So think about that. You know, we're at 204.50 here. Let's just say we go to 197.50. I mean, that's a tremendous fall, 7-point fall on the spiders. That's the equivalent of about 70 points on the S&P 500. But really, what we're saying here is we haven't broken yet, so don't misunderstand me. Look at this. There it is. We hammered on it on Friday here. We bounced. We came down. We just made a slightly lower low, but we hit the line again. Now we're getting a small bounce. Will this market hold up? Now, this is a market that loves the bulls one day, loves the bears the next day. It's up, down, up, down. Incredible reversal. The fact is, when you see these reversals occurring day in, day out, it's a very bearish sign. Let's go back to the intraday. Why is it bearish when you see a big up move and then a big down? Well, first of all, yesterday's up move was on less volume than we've done today already, and we still have an hour and a half left in the trading day. So that's number one. That is not a good sign, because what it tells you is that the institutions are backing off, and I talked about this in yesterday's video. I said how the light volume upside is where the institutions step back from selling, and the little investor just buys. Those little share sizes mean the lighter volume during the day, and they drive the market back up. Then the institution comes back in and sells. And the fact that you're seeing such a quick sell to the downside means the institutions are hurrying to get out faster and faster. They know the end game is coming. They know the break points are coming. They're looking at the same charts as I am. So you have to understand that, folks. And ultimately, great little bounce here, but at some point, whether it's today or tomorrow or the next day, you will break this neckline of the head and shoulders, and you should head down sharply. And that's going to be a big fall. Going to panic a lot of people when we get down below 200 on the spiders, which will be below the 2,000 level on the S&P 500. Take a look at this, guys. I think this is so amazing. This is that same neckline right here, and look at that trend line right there. If you break this, you're going right to the 200, which is around the 200 even number, so the 200 moving average right there, and I think you're going to pierce it and touch that conclusion of the head and shoulder move to the downside. But really incredible stuff, guys. Incredible stuff there. All right, so we'll see again how the markets play here, but fascinating action. I encourage you to come to InTheMoneyStocks.com. You got to be on point here. This is a market where you can make money every single day going long and then short, going long and then short. But you have to know what you're doing. You have to know the levels to watch. You have to know this stuff. If you do, you succeed and make thousands every single day. All right, bottom line is, come take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center. Get involved now. Talk to you.